Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you to the members of the general public able to be in attendance here today, as well as our elected officials and advocacy group members present. Today is not possible without all of your support. Today we honor a tradition to raise a flag that represents diversity in all of its forms. We do so at the seat of our state government and stand beneath it in testimony to the power of community, authenticity, and most of all, pride. Through the support of our elected officials, the tireless work of state and federal advocacy groups, and the sheer grit of LGBTQ+ Delawareans, we are able to live openly, love fiercely, build our economy, and create value in our communities. While we have reason to celebrate today, we also have reason to be clear-eyed. In state houses and courtrooms across this country and in our nation's capital, rights enjoyed for decades are under threat. Children are being told that they do not belong. Adults are being told that who they are is a matter of open debate, or that they don't even exist. Delaware will never follow that path, and the LGBTQ+ Commission will work with everyone who has the passion to ensure that Delaware is a place where no trans child wonders whether their voice matters, that Delaware honors the sacrifices of our gay and lesbian veterans by making sure that they have safe places to sleep, and that Delaware is a place where a doctor can provide lawful medical care to our community without risking their lives or livelihood. As we raise this flag, so too do we lift our community. I believe that when we all lift together, there is little that is beyond our ability to achieve. To everyone gathered here this morning, thank you for being under this flag together. Thank you for standing proudly with me. And thank you for lifting the community together. To Delawareans unable to attend today, and to those living in places that have turned their back on you, hear me clearly. You belong, you are seen, and you have a home in Delaware. My name is Cora Castle. I want to hear your stories. Please reach out to me at cora.castle@delaware.gov. Thank you, everyone.
I'll read the proclamation. The proclamation. Right, come on up, Kyle. We're both on here.
I signed it.
Why don't we each do a love,
Okay.
like we're in church.
All
All right. Or synagogue or the mosque. In recognition of Pride Month, whereas each June we recognize Pride Month, a time to honor the history, contributions, and resilience of the LGBTQ+ community.
Whereas before European colonization, the Lenape indigenous people who called this land home did not hold limiting beliefs for specific genders. And
Whereas the state of Delaware has a long history as a home for LGBTQ+ people during the 20th century, serving as the epicenter for the community on the East Coast of the United States. And
whereas Pride Month commemorates the Stonewall Uprising of 1969, a pivotal moment in the fight for LGBTQ+ civil rights. And
whereas every person, regardless of their sexual orientation, gender, or gender expression, deserves to live authentically, free from discrimination, violence, and fear. And
whereas we recognize the tireless work of the LGBTQ+ advocates, leaders, and allies who continue to push for inclusion and equity in every sphere of life. And
whereas the Delaware community is enriched by the voices, creativity, and courage of our LGBTQ+ community, and we are committed to building a future where everyone is treated with respect, compassion, and fairness.
Now therefore, we
Matthew Meyer, Governor, and
Kyle Evans Gay, Lieutenant Governor,
do hereby declare June 2026 as Pride Month in Delaware.
Congratulations.